Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm glad to introduce you Ryan from Innsane Studios. He's an amazing Dragon Ball Z artist and I'm really happy to do a collaboration with him. As you can see, his coloring skills are out of this world. I saw this guy randomly on Instagram and I had to ask him to work with me because I was sure that we can create something special together. We decided to draw Goku versus Broly, both charging huge energy balls. I knew with his coloring technique, a drawing like this would look just epic. Now I will draw the line work and then we will watch how Ryan is doing the coloring. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can enjoy. Let's go. guys, line art done, and I think the poses are amazing. I tried to keep enough space on top for the huge energy ball of BROLY, so Ryan can go crazy on that. Let me tell you, to draw BROLY's face small like this was really a struggle, and yeah, the face really doesn't turn out that great. Nevertheless, now it's Ryan's turn. Sit back and enjoy, guys. Make sure to like this video if you haven't already, and let's go.
There's a marksman who's leading my shows up when the moon has been trying. I just wanna be in my bed. I feel his diligence and patience, and his wickedness is contagious. If I follow now, I'll act on like I intended. Do you know where you're going? Have you found out where we'll be in the morning? I should shut down the lights in my apartment if you won't take me back there. Precious, now you got what you wanted. I'll be right here like your shadow is haunted. It's a fun game where you need a partner. Careful, I smell your fear. Precious. Anywhere you go, I will be right there. Give you solitude, all my best. You love acting as if you don't care, but I know better, it's obvious. You're alone for 25 and you keep wanting to be by yourself. I told you wickedness is contagious. Don't tell me you can dish it, but you can't take it since you started this. I'll drive you mad, I've got incentive. Do you know where you're going? Have you found out where we'll be in the morning? I should shut down the lights in my apartment if you won't take me back there. Precious, now you got what you wanted. I'll be right here like your shadow is haunted. It's a fun game where you need a partner. Careful, I smell your fear. Precious, Santa Cruz to Pico, Delaware. Take me places that I've never been. Stop me once, you never stuck again. You and me right to the bitter end.
So guys, there we have the final piece, and what can I say? As soon as I saw the final result, I was blown away. This is really one of the best drawings I have ever seen. Not just because I worked on this with Ryan, but in general. The characters look so much better with color, and the coloring itself is so outstanding and special. I can't find any words to describe it. I love the dark atmosphere, the shiny effects on the energy balls and the rocks around them. Ryan used markers along with pencils, plus airbrush, a scalpel, acrylic paints and lots of different stuff. This guy is really an artist, and let me tell you, he really worked weeks on this. So guys, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to show Ryan some love and check him out on Instagram. Let's get him to be more active. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you are new, and again, comment below what you think of this drawing. Prints will be available soon and commissions are open. So if you want a custom drawing, make sure to message me on Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com so we can talk about your custom drawing, which will be created according to your wishes. All the links for everything down below, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.